this is a suo motu PIL as far as illegal constructions in the state of Goa are concerned. There are directions issued by the High Court to demolish and take action against these structures, which is an old order. Now, what has happened is subsequent to this judgment, there are laws passed by the Assembly whereby residential structures which are of a particular date and where certain domicile requirements are satisfied are sought to be regularized. So we have filed an affidavit before the High Court placing on record that the residential structures which give shelter to the people are protected by these statutes, and we produced those statutes before the court and told the court that what is protected are only residential structures and not the commercial structures. There are various compliance reports and other reports which are filed by the panchayats and the municipalities, and the volume of documents is so much that somebody had to analyze them and find out whether the compliances are in order. So the court wanted some government officer to analyze those reports. Accordingly, we suggested 2 officers from the government to act as a nodal officer. As far as municipalities and CCP are concerned, the Deputy Director of Municipal Administration has been appointed as a nodal officer. As far as panchayat areas are concerned, the extension officer in the Directorate of Panchayat, he has been appointed as a nodal officer.